In this gig, I'll provide a pre-built course that you can add to your LearnDash site. I've actually got about 20 courses that you can add to your site, and it's probably only going to take a couple of days. So you can fill your site up with new content. I can brand these courses to match your site with your logo, your company name, your colors, all sorts of different ways that we can customize these courses. We can even change the content, delete content, add new content. These courses work a little differently than your normal LearnDash courses. So with this one, you're going to have a launch button. From the launch button, it's going to open up the course. This is where the person will be able to take the course by going through the different sections. These are going to be heavy text-based courses with images, a lot of interactions, but there's also videos in these courses. We have quizzes that they can pass or fail. We have quizzes that you can take and get feedback on them. It's really a great way to add more content to your site really quickly. There's a lot of different things that we can do.